A digital transformation strategy is when a business identifies opportunities where technology can be used to reduce or eliminate paper-based information or manual paper-driven processes. Our business world has changed a lot in the last 2 to 3 years. Businesses have staff working remotely and they need access to information from wherever they may be, and businesses are challenged with staffing shortages. So existing team members are spread very thin and businesses have to be able to do more with less. Using a digital transformation strategy allows a business to address these key areas and work smarter and not harder. 3 common business areas that have primarily paper-driven information and paper-driven process include accounts payable, because you have invoices from multiple sources arriving in multiple ways. You have the HR, which is onboarding, very forms intensive, very process intensive, and you have your incoming mail. And our process for that begins with the mail arriving at the local post office, where it is then securely routed to our E.O. Johnson scan office for processing. Envelopes are then sorted to identify what and what not to scan. Mail is then opened and sorted again by department or record type, and a unique barcode number is assigned to each mail piece. The documents are then prepped and scanned. Quality control is then performed to ensure that the scanned images are of the highest quality. Indexing of names, account numbers, or dates provide more ways to search for a digital mail piece. The completed data is then migrated into a document management system where the mail can be routed to departments or employees either manually or through workflow automation. The advantage of having a digital mail system is that digital mail is accessible to employees wherever they may be located within 24 to 48 hours of arrival. For accounts payable, information can be brought into a document management system. You can capture fields such as purchase order number, vendor name, check number. That can be fed to a Microsoft Dynamics system or even to a QuickBooks system. So you're exchanging information. You can also implement workflows to help an invoice go through the approval process. And what it does is it helps you pay your invoices faster, and that helps build and strengthen relationships that you have with your vendors. For HR, recruitment and onboarding is a very paper and forms intensive process. Things like workflows, automation, creating information and moving it through a process quickly is something that can help shorten that time frame, and it gives businesses that competitive edge in finding candidates in a very competitive hiring world. The digital transformation process really begins with a business taking a look at where do you have problem areas? Where do you have paper-based information? Where do you have manual paper-driven processes? And then engaging with professionals such as E.O. Johnson, where we can come in, learn more about your records, understand what they are and how you use them, and then also look at what are the processes that you have. What are steps we can take to help refine them and make them more efficient? Efficiency, cost savings, those are 2 things that businesses look at all day, every day. And a digital transformation strategy helps to address those. Our goal is to help your business run smarter.